Okay, my name is Kaysher Smith and I'm currently studying at the Norwich School of Beauty. I'm doing Beauty Level 2 currently. I just qualified my Indian head massage Level 3 this Sunday. I did the exam for it. I've always been interested in massage and I did that course a few years ago, and then I wanted to learn more so that I could be employed in a spa salon kind of environment. So I decided to start to look into beauty therapy because that's a requirement for working in a spa and salon. I've always been interested in nails and facials and makeup, but never really known how to do it myself, properly. So I got in contact with the school, and Sam, the headmistress, and it spoke me through everything. She was warm, welcoming, and gave me all the information I needed. So I signed up then and there because it sounded fantastic. And then a few months later, I got back in contact with the school, and they actually let me know that there was funding available for the Level 2 beauty course, which was amazing. It's such an amazing course, and to have that funded as well is just incredible. Free education, who's going to say no to that? So I'm currently doing manicures and pedicures. I've started learning that, and there's just so much to it. The teaching style as well is so professional, and you learn so much more than you think you're going to learn. You get advice on things, they're there to support you. It's really well-rounded, and even when you finish the course, like I just finished my Indian head, we're told that we can reach out at any point. We can phone the school, we can talk to our tutors for any information we need and support going forward. It's just a really nice environment to be in. The school itself is incredible. It's very big. There's loads of room. It's really professionally set up. It's safe with coronavirus and everything. And there's loads of parking as well. It's easy to get to from wherever you're driving to. It's not right in the city centre, it's kind of a bit on the outskirts, so it's just an easy drive. I'm really rubbish at parking, so I'm really happy that there's loads of parking. And the people on the course as well, you end up making friends on these courses. You're all like-minded people going towards the same thing in life, and it's just lovely. It's a really, just a really lovely feeling. It's like you never want the course to end. I come every Friday, and you can fit it in. They do, for the Level 2 beauty therapy, you can either come on the Monday during the day, you can come on the Friday during the day, or you can choose to come 2 evenings a week. So it's completely flexible, and they can work around you as well. You can talk to them about what you need, and it's just incredible. I'm really enjoying it. I would say just give them a ring and have a chat with Sam or one of the ladies in the office. They're so welcoming and so nice. Find out all the information about it. These are top quality qualifications that you're going to get. They aren't one-day courses where you're not going to be qualified and not going to be confident. After you do these courses, you're going to be confident, you're going to be fully qualified, you're going to be able to be insured, and you're going to be able to get employment or self-employment. I would recommend getting the homework done in between lessons. Practice, that's the main thing. When you go home, practice on your friends and family, and they'll love it too. Who's going to say no to a manicure or a pedicure, or even my little brother had one, and he's still got it on. So my first day was amazing. I was a little bit nervous beforehand, as you will be. I found the school fine, and I'm a rubbish driver, so I found it okay, parked okay. It's up 2 flights of stairs, and then you come in, and it's so spacious as well. It's lovely. After my first day, I went home and I couldn't stop smiling because I was just so excited and like, look what I learned, and you just learn so much every lesson, and it's kind of added to, and then you go back and go over what you've learned, and it really builds up your knowledge. It's really good. So after the first day, everything was fine. You kind of introduce yourself to all the people that are there and get to know each other, and as the course goes on, you get to know each other more and more. You have a Facebook group where you can talk to each other, and you can put any questions on there at any point. Either one of the tutors or the school or one of the girls will answer who's on your course. Yeah, it's just a really warm environment. I look forward to coming here every Friday. Like I said, I don't want it to end. Yeah, it's just really a lovely place to come to. It's very clean, very spacious, very open, and I feel there's enough distance between each other, and we wear masks and visors, full PPE while working on each other, so there's no, it's all safe, it's all completely safe. I'm always looking for more courses to do, so if the school adds some more courses, I'll definitely be on them, because it's just, you end up getting like the bug, like you want to do more and more and learn more and more, and the more you learn, the more employable you are, the more you can offer if you're self-employed. My clients instantly are like, what are you doing now, Kaysher, which is really lovely, and they're always happy to be my guinea pig. I 100% recommend coming to the Norwich School of Beauty. If you're nervous at all, just give them a call. I'm a student here, and I would definitely be doing other courses here. It's given me the confidence to become self-employed, and I want to go on and do so many more things, and this school has given me just, so much confidence, and I love coming here. I honestly love coming here, and you will too, trust me.